Good morning everyone. Welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Cold War submarine spy program. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. The US is working to resuscitate its Cold War era submarine surveillance network in the wake of China's rising naval power. Now let's discuss what is Cold War submarine spy program. Throughout the Cold War, the United States and the Soviet Union conducted secretive espionage operations using submarines known as the Cold War submarines spy program. These activities primarily involved gathering intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance on each other's military capabilities. The United States Navy played a significant role in submarine espionage during the Cold War. Now let's discuss about Theater Undersea Surveillance Command. According to the report, the US Navy has renamed its monitoring system at Whidbey Island off Seattle to Theater Undersea Surveillance Command. The goal is to modernize the US underwater acoustic spy cable network and upgrade surveillance ships with advanced sensors and subsea microphones. The Navy's current strategy involves deploying unmanned sea drones to detect adversary vessels, positioning portable underwater satellite sensors on the sea floor for submarine surveillance, utilizing satellites to track ships through radio frequencies, and harnessing AI software to swift maritime intelligence analysis. The US Navy has also been signing new contracts quite aggressively to renew its submarine infrastructure, further confirming the speculations. Now moving on to China's Great Underwater Wall program. China is also actively developing its own maritime espionage program named the Great Underwater Wall. This network, presently in construction, comprises sonar-equipped cables laid along the South China Sea floor. China's maritime interests extend into the Pacific, disclosing its operation of two underwater sensors in 2018, one in the Mariana Trench, Challenger Deep, Earth's deepest point, and the other near Yap, an island in the Federated States of Micronesia. Now it's time for the practice question. The Whidbey Island, recently in the news, is located in which of the following regions? Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, or Arctic Ocean? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.